Hello guys, welcome back to our show. This is Toy Friendly Unboxed where we feature the hottest toys in the market today. And I know, sasabihin ko na naman, sobrang tagal natin hindi nagkita-kita. So, ang dami nating ganap kasi for the past month. Sumali uli kami dun sa Pop Enthusiast event last November 28-29, if I'm not mistaken. And yun, maganda-gandang turnout. Marami rin tao. Actually, pang-apat na namin na day. 4 days kaming sumali doon. 2 days noong October and again 2 days itong November. And maganda doon yung experience na makahalubilo yung mga other toy collectors na dyan sa Green Hills. And yan, pinapakita natin yung footage. And masaya naman eh. So siguro sa susunod, mas target namin is much bigger event, siguro ToyCon ng target natin para spread the news about the existence of toy-friendly toy store. And yun, so ang tagal-tagal natin hindi nagkita, dami nangyari, pinagkaabalan talaga tayo. So finally, meron tayong bagong episode and bubuksan natin ngayon. And much awaited episode. Ito si Alfred ng Yu Yu Hakusho DXF Dark Tournament Edition. Ayan. Kita niya. Yan ang bubuksan natin ngayon. This is a treat for all you Yu Yu Hakusho Ghost Fighter fans out there. And before anything else, please like, comment, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell for announcements on the future unboxing episodes and other fun stuff. And also, nasa Shopee tayo. Malakas ang Shopee ngayon kasi magpapasko. And maraming orders. And yun, punta kayo sa Shopee store natin. Type nyo lang Toy Friendly or search nyo lang Toy Friendly and makikita nyo. And also, nandun pa rin tayo sa Facebook store natin. www.facebook.com/toyfriendly. Yun, huwag natin patagalin. Let's do this. Let's unbox Alfred or Kuwabara. For Yu Yu Hakusho fans, here we go!
I was just a shadow in the crowd, lost in the noise, barely making a sound. Then you came along, bright as the dawn, turned my world around. Now I'm reborn. Every look, every touch, it's a spark. You lit the fire deep in my heart. I'm breaking free.
So guys, bumalik na tayo. And at yun, unbox natin is Kuwabara or si Alfred ng Yu Yu Hakusho. This is the Dark Tournament Edition. Ito, bubuksan natin. Let's check out the box first. Ayan, makita natin. Consistent naman lagi yung design ng box ng Bandai Namco and Banpresto. And kung nakita niyo yung ibang episodes natin na sinimula natin yung series na ito, diba? Ganito rin yung look. And makikita natin yan. May silhouette. And ang common denominator ng series na to is yung dynamic poses nila. In action sila lahat. Ayan o. So, this time, hawak niya, ipanghaharabas na niya yung sword niya, yung flaming sword. Ang galing, diba? So, yun ang makikita natin sa loob. And hopefully, ganito rin yung detail niya talaga, no? Yung angas, diba? Actually, sold out na nga ito sa Shopee store natin. Pag check out nyo, sold out na yung Alfred. I'm gonna try to acquire more items or more stocks for this one. Pero not promising anything. Pero madami naghahanap ng Alfred na figure. So, ito ako. Buksan na natin ito. Kunin natin yung cutter para mapinta na natin ang itsura sa loob. So, kung nagtataka kayo, continuous na yung natin, walang cut. Ito ay dahil gumagamit tayo ng neck mount para dito sa cellphone camera natin. And wala na tayong wala nang cut. Thanks to my loving wife for giving me this gift. Ayan, ito na yun. Kitang-kita niyo yung nasa loob. At huhugutin natin. Actually, this is the first time na unboxing talaga yung nangyayari. At makikita niyo yung itsura. Real time. Wala tayong edit. So, ayan yung itsura. Doon sa nagtataka dun sa kung ano yung itsura ng flap. Ayan, may QR code pa siya. Yan ang orig na box. Authentic Bandai Namco item. Ayan. So, kita niya. Yun, kompleto siya sa markings. So, anyway, ito na. Ito na yung mga inaantay natin. I-assemble natin in a short while. Ayan, kakaiwala yan. Tapos may stand. Foot support. Ang lupit, hiwa-hiwalay lahat. Tapos ito yung effect sa sword niya. Yun. So, buksan natin. Painaantay natin, diba? Hindi natin patagalin yan. Isa-isayin natin yan. Ayan. Foot support. Yan, may serial siya. Makita nyo. Authentic yan. Tapos, pawala na natin yung iba. No? Ito yung sword effect. Ganda rin. Ganda ng effect. So, ano pa? Ito, yung foot. Yung mga the legs niya. Hiniwa-hiwalay na na. Maganda rin eh. Solid eh. Well, as always, ganda naman lagi quality ng Bandai and Bandai Namco Banpresto items na tingnan natin. Yun. So, buksan naman natin yung upper half. So, dun sa mga nagko-collect nito, diba, nakailang na tayo, nakailang characters na tayo na in-unbox. And ito na actually yung second batch, diba, yung Dark Tournament Edition. Yun, may pa talaga para hindi mabali sa packaging yun. Nilagyan nila ng support na cardboard. So guys, assemble muna natin to. And I'll be back with the complete figure. And doon natin i-review kung ano yung masasabi natin dito sa figure natin. Okay? So guys, ito nabuo na natin. Wow, astig. Tingnan nyo naman, itsura niya. Ang galing. Ang ganda. So, yan. Alfred or Kuwabara talaga. Pati yung markings niya doon sa likod, sa uniforme. Kaya pala marami talagang maraming fans tong figure na to kasi nakita nyo naman yung detail. Pati yung mga folds as always, diba? Paint job niya, saktong-sakto rin. Wala naman siyang masyadong colors eh. Diba? Pati dito sa foot niya. Maganda yung pagkaka-render. And of course, huwag natin kalimutan yung pagkakagawa nitong flaming sword. Ganda. So parang GX material. Or ano ba yung isang line ng Bandai na sa Dragon Ball, diba? Yung ganito may transparent effect. Clear eyes, di ba? Parang gano'n. Pero dito, astig. Talagang sulit ang bili mo dito. Kung fan ka ng Yu Yu Hakusho, definitely you'll get this. You'll have to get this. And you have to buy this para part ng collection nyo. Kasi astig eh. Ganda ng pagkakaano. Tsaka bukang-buka. Dynamic po siya talaga. Isa pa maganda dito yung support niya, hindi maluwag. Like yung usual na nakukuha natin sa Bandai Banpresto. Ito masikip. Talagang kumapit. Kapit na kapit doon sa paa. So, pag tinayo nyo, walang problema, diba? Hindi siya wobbly. Minsan, doon pumapalpak yung Bandai and Banpresto na items in this support. Ang ganda, guys. Kita nyo, pati hair structure on model, on point, diba? And there you have it, guys. That was our quick unboxing and review of the DXF Dark Tournament Yu Yu Hakusho Alfred figure from Bandai Namco and Banpresto. At yun nga, try ko maka-acquire pa nito kung may gustong humabol ng purchase. And if you're going to try to add this to your collection, just give us a message, and we'll try to hook you up. And that's it, guys. Cue for montage.
I was just a shadow in the crowd, lost in the noise, barely making a sound. Then you came along, bright as the dawn, turned my world around. Now I'm reborn. Every look, every touch, it's a spark. You lit the fire deep in my heart. I'm breaking free, no longer restrained. In your light, I found my name. You got me so unwrapped and unboxed. All my secrets laid bare, no longer locked. With you, I'm flying high, breaking the clocks. You got me so unwrapped and unboxed. We're chasing dreams hand in hand. Through every storm we'll make our stand. Your smile's my compass, my guiding star. No matter how far.
And there you have it, guys. That was our quick unboxing and review of this Yu Yu Hakusho exclusive Dark Tournament figure featuring Alfred or Kuwabara, para dun sa mga fans ng Ghost Fighter or Yu Yu Hakusho. A definite must-have for your collection. So yeah, like I said, sold out na to, pero I'll try to acquire more sa supplier natin para satisfy yung ibang mga gusto pa magkaroon nitong figure na to. So definitely a must-have for you guys. Again, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for announcements for future unboxing episodes and other fun stuff. And nasa Facebook tayo, yung store natin, www.facebook.com/toyfriendly. And also, nasa Shopee rin tayo. So, search nyo lang yung Toy Friendly Toy Store sa Shopee, and makikita nyo lahat ng mga for sale natin. Marami tayong discount, promos, and other fun stuff there. So, please visit our Shopee store. Matutuwa kayo doon. Again, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next unboxing episode.